Want to build wealth in 2025? Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to grow your financial success, this guide will give you the exact steps to achieve financial freedom. Wealth begins with mindset. The wealthy think long-term, while most people focus on short-term gains. Shift your perspective, invest in knowledge, stay disciplined, and develop smart financial habits. One income stream is not enough. The key to building wealth is diversifying. Side hustles, digital businesses, investments, and passive income. In 2025, financial security comes from having multiple revenue streams. Investing is no longer optional. The smartest way to grow money is by making it work for you. Consider index funds, ETFs, real estate, and even emerging markets like AI and blockchain. The earlier you start, the greater the rewards. Budgeting and saving aren't just about cutting costs. They're about maximizing your money. Automate savings, track expenses, and eliminate unnecessary spending. A high-yield savings account can help money grow while staying liquid. The opportunities to build wealth in 2025 are endless. Focus on learning, taking action, and staying ahead of financial trends. Wealth isn't just about how much you make, it's about how wisely you use it. Start today. Your financial future depends on what you do now. Like and subscribe for more wealth-building strategies.